Even before an individual starts their job, there are many things you can do to ensure that that individual will be able to work to the best of their abilities. An induction day may be one of the best ways for that individual to become familiar with the environment that they're going to be working in. And it also might be a great way for that individual to iron out any potential worries that they might have when they start their job. I read one article about an individual with autism who went into his new company for an induction day. When he went into the offices that he was going to be working in, he realised that all the employees of that company were working in one big open plan office, and that an open plan environment would be really difficult for him. So the company allowed him to have his own individual desk in a separate room. So the induction day ironed out any of his potential worries that he would have had when he started his job, and allowed him to work to the best of his abilities from the moment he started that job.